Habari, karibu sana to my YouTube channel where we learn Swahili step by step. So on this colorful day, we are going to learn about colors in Swahili. Colors in Swahili is referred to as rangi. Unapenda rangi gani? Well, it's okay, utaniambia after the end of the lessons because for our today's objective, you should be able to tell colors in Swahili. Before we learn about rangi, here's just a reminder to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share with other Swahili students. Thank you. And if you'd like personalized lessons, you can just write to me an email at ourmiriamjunior@gmail.com. You know, I'd love to help you learn Swahili, right? Colors in Swahili. Yellow, rangi ya manjano. Green, kijani. Blue, samawati. Purple, rangi ya zambarau. Black, nyeusi. Gray, rangi ya kijivu. Violet, rangi ya urujuani. Orange, rangi ya machungwa. Red, nyekundu. Brown, kahawia. Pink, rangi ya waridi. Silver, rangi ya fedha. Gold, rangi ya dhahabu. Indigo, nili. White, nyeupe. Rangi za upinde wa mvua ni gani? So upinde wa mvua is the rainbow. Red, nyekundu. Orange, machungwa. Yellow, manjano. Green, kijani. Blue, samawati. Indigo, nili. Violet, urujuani. Now keep on practicing the colors of the rainbow. So on your screen you can see the Kenyan flag. A flag is referred to as bendera in Swahili. I have a question for you. Bendera ya Kenya ina rangi ngapi? Bendera ya Kenya ina rangi ngapi? Correct. 4. Name them. Nyeusi, nyeupe, nyekundu, kijani. Perfect. In the comment section, comment by letting us know how many colors does the flag of your country have and name these colors in Swahili. Keep on practicing by trying to tell the colors of the various objects around you in Swahili. Let's meet in our next lesson. Kwaheri ya kuonana.